Hi there, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm out of my living room and into nature because if you're anything like me, if you hate booking travel or if making it to the airport, barely making your flight, or stuck in a 12-hour car trip with your screaming kids in the back seat, not fun. But there is a better way. So today we're going to book some travel using numerology. But before we do that, please consider subscribing if you haven't already, and hit that bell too so you don't miss any future uploads. Now, what is this? Why are we doing this? Why is this going to work? So this is to help align your energy and your travel friends and family, your travel partners, to arrange trip days, to arrange activity days, to find alignment and hopefully have smooth travels for your future vacations. So we are going to need your personal year number, which we just went through in our personal year and calendar video, which I'll have a link to at the end of this, and also a breakdown below. So we're going to need your personal year, your personal month, your personal day in order to do this and arrange it. So just a quick breakdown that your birthday and month is added to the current year or year of travel. So if you're booking in the future, use that year. That will be your new personal year. How to find your month. Each month already is assigned a number. Add your personal year to that month. That will be your personal month. So for example, my personal year is 3. I add it to March. Say my trip is March 20th. So 3 plus 3 for March will be my 6th month. And then to get my day, 20th, so 6 plus 20 is 26 or 8. That would be my 8th day. So again, what are we doing here? We are picking out travel days that match the energy. So leaving, booking an away trip, a travel day on a plane or a road trip. 1s, 3s, 5s are great for travel, high energy days. The 1, of course, is for new beginnings, new adventures. 3 and 5 are just fun-loving, free spirit kind of numbers. They're kind of up for anything, but they have that fluidity. They like to move around. So we're going to, I have a bug on me. Oh no, a bug. No mosquitoes, no mosquitoes. So we're going to try and book our travel day out on a 1, a 3, or a 5 to align with that motion, that new adventure, that new beginning. We're off to something new, off to a new location. Great for a number 1. So return days are a little more grounded. Maybe think 8 days or 9 days. Again, 5 or 3, where they like that motion. So those are still on the table. But 9 days are all about completion, about the reflection, about closure. So 9 days would be great for coming home, booking your home flight or driving home that day. So we are talking about 3s, 5s, 1s for beginning, 9s for completion. What about all the days in between? So we're going to go through each number and find a few activities that kind of match those energies. So we're going to, again, start with number 1. If you're not traveling on a 1 day, but you have an activity for a 1 day, this would be great for kind of solo activities. You can do zip lining where you're still with a group, but it's kind of a solo activity where you go by yourself in a way. There's a dragonfly. Stay away. So we're going to do zip lining, paragliding. You can go skiing or snowboarding, whichever you choose, something along those lines would be great for number 1. 2-day. 2-day is all about couples, partnership. 2-day is about those romantic retreats, cabin getaways, romantic dinners, even like a partner spa. Even if you're with a family and not quite coupley, that could be a low-key day where you just hang out with the family or do something more subdued. So 1 day was a high energy, 2-day is kind of a more low-key day. 3-day, we're going back up in the energy because 3 loves that motion. They love the activity. So this would be great for beach days. This would be great for street festivals or amusement parks. So anything more high key, high energy would be great for 3. 4, though, is a little more structured, a little more subdued. So think guided tours, think national parks, think anything that's a little maybe historic even. So like if you're in certain cities, maybe go to a historic site or take a tour, like a city walking tour would be great. 5s, again, love motion, love fluid. We're back up to high energy. So anything's good for 5. So even if this is your planned unstructured day, that would be great for a 5-day. If you just have a bug out bag, if you have like any type of plan to say, all right, we're just going to go here and see what happens. That would be great for a 5-day, maybe like a mini side trip, a little road trip on your vacation. Again, 6 is more of a family day, a little more subdued. Think about your cabins, your family time, let's see, family dinners even. If you're visiting other relatives, plan that as like a family reunion day, something along those lines. Now 7 is our learning day. This is our learning number. So this would be great for, again, like a national park, but a sacred site. So maybe if there's ruins nearby, if there's temples or a cathedral, even like a hike to a waterfall where you can kind of sit and reflect and kind of learn about that space that you're in. This would also be great for a museum, like a natural history museum, art museum. That would be a great day for a 7. And of course, 8 is the high upscale day. This is about like business and promotion and money. So they like the luxury items. Think spa day. Think like a water park maybe, or think of just a resort, like an all-inclusive resort or something more fancy. That would be more for up an 8's alley. Now 9, again, if you're not traveling on a 9-day, this would be a great day to come home, end your vacation. What about for a 9-day? Again, just a day of reflection. Not necessarily historical, but just reflect on where you are, what you've learned on your travels. What about finding some type of tour or site that you can kind of just learn about the culture, because this is a very well-rounded, wholesome, let's tie all the loose ends together. Let's kind of wrap up these things and learn about the culture, or, something that really completes your vacation. So I hope this helped kind of think of some activities, help align. Again, if you can't always align exactly, find an activity for that person whose number it is to do for long periods of time if it is a travel day and they just need to sit in a car or plane for a long time. Have them kind of pick a few things that align with that energy, and that'll keep them busy for a while. So, it's hot, it's muggy here, but I'm out traveling. Here's where I am. I'm kind of walking around by the big field in a forest. And that's the point, you guys. Let's get outside. Let's enjoy the journey as much as the destination. This is like touch some grass, go to the beach. get outside. And I hope your travels are fun and safe. And just get out there, see the world. So I hope you got value out of this. Please like this video if you like this video, and hit one of these links for more from Numerology Lab. I'll see you there.